My name is Joe Nardone, and I've had bilateral frozen shoulders for almost 15 years. I've been doing everything I could possibly do, physical therapy, acupuncture, chiropractic, and I keep making a little bit of improvements, but I can never really get to the point where I could reach up and pull something off the icebox or the refrigerator. My trainer happened to know about my problem, and he was Googling frozen shoulders, and he saw this video of Dr. Hightower, and it was entitled "Man Can Comb His Hair and Almost Cry." And I was watching the video, and his limitation, I knew that was mine. And so I wanted to come here, and I'm from Southern California, so finally arranged to come on out here after a couple of months and start working with Dr. Hightower on this program.
So can you show us your range of motion in both your right and left shoulder?
Right there.
Okay. And then the other side.
This one is a little looser, but it hurts more.
Okay. And then, so let's see your golf swing before treatment.
Raise that one up again.
Is that what?
It's pretty good, right?
Yes.
Alright, give me a high five. Nice. There we go. Okay. So, feel any different when I do that?
Hardly any pain.
Less pain?
Less pain, yeah.
Okay, interesting. So your herbs may be influencing this as well. So that's an interesting point you kind of figured out there. So I'll work on those too.
Yeah.
Alright, so hold this in your hand. You can let it hang. So the good news is your spacing is now really good inside of these joints. Like, I have a nice gap in there, which means a lot of what we're going to find has come from other areas now that we've created that space. Because like we talked about before, there's a layering effect. It's not just the humerus, even though that was the very first thing we cleared. Okay. Keep hanging there. Okay. So I'm going to slide right here. I just want you to lean towards me. The odds of you having ribs that have compensated over the years are probably pretty high. Especially with all the muscles that yank on these areas. Okay. We'll pull that back out. And let's go ahead and raise them up again. How's that one?
Smoother. And pain level just about drop one number.
Drop a number?
Drop
Okay.
a number.
So I'm going to come back through there again. A little harder. Okay. And then, so I'm just going to hold there. So go ahead and raise it up. How about there?
I like that feeling.
That's better than it's been?
Yeah.
Yeah. Okay, we'll work on that on the table.
Okay.
But that feels better to me too. It's obviously crunchy, but it looks like you're getting more power to it. Yeah.
Yeah,
Definitely.
much better.
Keep going. A little further. And I'd love someone to tag you in to clear his obliques standing after this. And go to the right. Keep going to the right. Keep going. Keep going. Keep going. Keep going. Okay.
So you're going to stand up for me. All right. You're going to press here, and you're going to side bend to the left. So the opposite direction. Good. Come back to center. And again, and keep doing that.
That's sore.
No. That's tender. I think it's your thumb. Or where you're poking it. Yeah.
He's got strong thumbs.
Getting there, getting there. Let's do the other side, same thing.
Okay.
How did Will spell it? Physical therapy?
His eyes calling.
Yeah.
2, 1. Good. Perfect.
All right, Joe. So let's see that range in the shoulders now.
Look at that.
Look at that. And the other side. Awesome. And then
So percentage-wise, how much better does that feel
From
from when we first started?
me in the beginning,
From the very first
oh
one?
God, 500%. I mean, this is where I was.
Right.
And now, I mean,
Now you can raise
got
the
me- I mean, and no pain.
Right, and that's
I
the
mean,
kicker, right?
That's yeah.
Yeah.
Get you out on the range.
All right, let's see
This
that
is-
golf
this
swing.
That's the real test.
I mean, you know, I mean that is it probably added 70 yards.
Yeah. Okay,
You know,
so
and the faster I mean, you know, I just got to get my body ready to say, hey, you can do this now.
so move your feet a little wider and just go with a little more follow through, and let's see how you
Okay.
respond to that. And we're gonna try one more time after you get needled too. Okay, good.
One more time after dry needling. Let's just see that swing.
Much better. That's like so much
Yeah, it's
better.
better.
Yeah, let's see that one more time.